Hello, my name is April Jennifer Choi. I'm here at the Orlando Science Center. I'm going to talk about a little about this whip. This whip used to hold the world record, the Guinness World Record for the loudest whip ever cracked. Um, Someone has since taken that record. I'm hoping to get it back someday. And you'll notice on this particular whip, there are also these markers right there. These are highly reflective markers so that when you go and take high-speed video with an infrared flash, you'll actually be able to flash those infrared lights to get very, very clear signals as to each one of these points. So we took this whip, we're able to set up a Schlieren imaging system, which is an imaging system that allows you to see differences in pressure waves. You can see it on a channel called Smarter Every Day. I work with Destin on creating one, so you can see the visual effects, which made this whip the first whip that was ever visualized through cameras and high-speed photography and videography of a shockwave developing on the tip of a whip. We've seen shockwave come off of whips in normal Schlieren imaging, but this time we were actually able to see the entire range when a whip starts here, actually has a bend, ends up being very turbulent because it's moving over the, well, at this point, very, very close to the speed of sound. So you'll have all these filaments kind of be a little bit chaotic. They'll actually end up streamlining, so dropping the coefficient of drag quite dramatically, and then accelerating rapidly, and that's what ends up creating a bow shock. And that bow shock is what you hear as a crack. So this one, if you want to go see, you can look it up on YouTube and actually see the shock wave. This go from a turbulent rarefaction zone down to a streamlined, producing the bow shock, and then the bow shock shedding off. It's quite an interesting video. I love fluid dynamics, obviously, aerospace and mechanical engineer, and I love whips, and it was a wonderful opportunity for me to combine two of my biggest passions.